for you. Going to the moon.
So in general, how long does it normally take to fix an iPhone screen or a Samsung screen?
To us, we fix an iPhone screen in 10 minutes,
10
15
minutes?
Yeah.
That's quick, man.
Mostly it goes, we take half an hour.
Okay.
We tell a customer walks in, we check the device, we give a half hour time. If we are not busy, because we have to give a time, okay, if we get busy, then we cover that time in that device. Other than that, if we just working on that device, 15 minutes, top.
Man, you can kill it.
Samsung devices, they take like an hour.
Really?
Hour to 2 hours, any other device.
I wanted to ask you, I've always wondered, how difficult is it to repair the edge? You know, Samsung, the Galaxy Edge, whatever, S8 Edge or whatever. How difficult is it to repair that screen?
It's not so difficult to us, but any normal person who is doing the first time, it's gonna be very difficult for him. To us, it's a normal. Like, if I'm just working straight on a device, I'm not like moving here, there, I'm not standing up, serving any other customer. I'm just focusing on the device. In 40 minutes, 35 minutes, I can fix the screen, completely put back the phone.
So that screen does take a little longer though, because of the wraparound.
It does take it, because in Samsung, like, we have to open the back. Back is glass. Careful with it. Motherboard, take out the motherboard. Every part we have to take out, and then we have to go to the screen.
Oh my God! So with the iPhone 10 being glass on the back, do you have to take the back off as well?
No, in iPhone 10 it's different. iPhones are different. You just have to open the front of the screen. Okay. Like iPhone 10, they make the glass, and like most people, 99 people, they can't repair the back glass, because they put, in Samsung, they put a adhesive at the back, double tape. In Apple, they have put a super glue, a Gorilla Glass glue, Gorilla Glue. They put that at the back of it, so you can't peel that off easily. Okay.
So would you say the way that Samsung does it would be the way to go about putting on the back glass? Okay. And from your experience, what is the most popular device that you see walk through this door?
Apple.
Apple all the time?
All the time.
Because the screen is not flexible.
But mostly, it is a popular phone.
Okay.
Everybody wants it. Everybody, like, to me, I'm a Samsung person. Okay. I'm an Android person. I don't like, it's not like, okay, I'm offending Apple or anything. But the thing is, to me, it's my preference. I like Samsung, because in Samsung I can do way more than things than Apple.
Because of the open platform.
In Apple, like, you have to pay for the storage.
You
have to pay for every single thing. So I don't like that feature. Plus, like, on the side, like I say, I'm using an Apple device too. What the reason is, in all my family, every friend have an iPhone. They want to do the FaceTime, this, that. So I have to keep up with that. Okay. Other than that, as my personal device, I use a Samsung device.
So what phone do you have right now?
I have a Note 5.
A Note 5?
Note 5. And I'm using a iPhone 6s Plus.
Okay. I know, I've noticed with like the Notes, man, like a lot of people don't upgrade because they, I guess they last. I mean, I don't have a Note or anything like that, but I just think that out of the lines of phones that they have, I think the Note seems to be the most durable. And is the operating system a little different, or I haven't had an Android in years. I mean,
in Android, the operating system is different.
No, I'm saying from, say, like a Galaxy S9 to the Note 9, or like the Note 5. Can you still update the operating system? Like,
we can do update. Okay. Update. Like, every new device they update the old operating system too.
Now let me ask you this. Does the operating system slow down? Does it slow the phone down? Because with Apple,
it does slow down.
It does.
All of the devices, any device which is made in this world, it's gonna slow down. When when it comes for the update, it's gonna slow down. Okay. It's not gonna increase the speed of the device or anything. Right. They're just gonna put those words on, but it's not.
Because the processor is not faster, and they come up with all these extra processes and all these extra bells and whistles the phone really can't keep up. So it's kind of the same thing as the iPhone.
Mm-hmm.
So if you guys are wondering if Apple's the only phone that throttles, no. And it's because the processor just can't can't handle the new functions and the new processes that these new phones come with. Because we want it all, but then, we want to update our iOS or the Android operating system, but we don't want to update the phone. We want to be cheap and don't want to buy the phone. And then we complain that the phone's slowing down. Well, guess what? You got to update the hardware too, because the processor is where it's at. Right?
Right.
Cool.
That's right. That's why companies is mostly every year, these companies, they give you a contract for 24 months.
Yeah.
Any company you go. Basically, it is like every 24 months, after 1.5 years, your device is slowing down. So that's why they put you in a contract, okay, every 2 years, you just come for an upgrade.
Right.
It's a time to upgrade the device.
Yeah, they got us in a chokehold, man. Got us in a headlock. So I see you have all these devices and screen protectors and cases. What would be in your opinion, what would be the best case that you sell for, say, an iPhone and then for Samsung and screen protectors? Because I see you got screen protectors over there.
Yeah, I have a couple of them. Those are the best quality I have, and those are the best they are made. And I have for mostly all the phones, like Apple and the Samsung, mostly both of them.
Okay.
Apple and the Samsung, mostly I do. And if you go with the cases, the best we recommend is Otterbox case.
Otterbox?
Yes.
Otterbox. Okay.
Otterbox case. Other cases, they are slim, smarter. Like some cases, like I don't have right now. I ran out. It's a UGA cases.
UGA?
Yeah.
UGA. Okay. Is that the brand?
That's a brand.
Okay.
Those cases are good.
All right.
They from the corners, from the sides, they are rubbery, so they take a good drop.
What about Speck? How do you feel about Speck?
Speck, they're good
guy.
too. But after a while, those cases get hard on the corners.
They get hard on the corners?
Yeah.
I did not know that.
After use, they get hard on the corners, and when you drop it after a while, 5-6 months,
cushion.
Then no cushion on that.
I did not know that. I'm a Speck guy. I might need to update.
Then there is a damage on the.
I haven't had any problems, and I don't drop my phone much. But that is good to know.
But don't even try to drop it.
No, heck no, man. That thing costs too much.
Yeah.
It costs way too much. As far as like screen protectors, what would you say would be the best type of screen protector? As far as hardness, durability?
Like there gonna be a lot of qualities in the market.
There's a lot. There's a lot of cheap stuff too.
People sometimes, like I have customers, they come in the store and they ask me the prices, and when I tell them, they say, okay, online is this much. I say, the thing is,
when you drop it's gonna shatter.
Mine gonna be a bit higher, maybe the quality is higher.
Okay.
The online one, the quality is cheaper. That's why they are costing you less.
Right.
Absolutely. That's the difference in the market. Yeah. Like some nowadays, they are titanium tempered glass. Okay. Like I was talking about before. They give you a warranty on that.
They give you a warranty. Okay.
Warranty on the tempered glass. It's a titanium. It's a new tempered glass coming out. So there's a titanium tempered glass.
Okay.
You put that on, it's gonna cost $70. But they also cover your device as well. That's a good quality. They are saying, I haven't tried it yet.
Right.
I don't say I have tried it. I haven't tried it yet. But the people, the review we are getting, the company's response,
they stand behind it,
and
so
they are
like,
saying,
we'll pay for your device.
Yes.
Preference: glass, screen protector, or film? Everybody's getting away from film, but I used to like the film. I thought the film held it together really good, and you don't have to worry about the glass chipping and breaking and all that. What is your take on that?
Tempered glass.
Tempered glass. Better than the film.
Film is very thin.
Very thin.
Very thin. You're gonna drop it and it's 99% it's gonna break.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about the
the film is only to protect the scratches.
What about the film that's kind of like the army grade stretch stuff, and you put it on with water? Because that it kind of like grips the glass. So I thought that it'd be more like putting tape on your glass, and so when it drops, it'll hold the pieces together and it'll hold the glass together so it doesn't shatter.
To be honestly, on my Samsung, I have that. When I bought the devices, I put them. I bought 2 of them. Both of devices, I put that on them from the same company. I purchased the devices. It's still on right now. It is better because the thing is, till this day today, I never even dropped my device.
You talking about the film or the glass?
The film.
The film, okay.
The film you are talking about, the rubbery, the army
grade
one,
like ZAGG, screen protect,
those ones. Shield. It's still on there, it's good, but sometimes now it's giving me trouble while touching the screen. Because the temperature is getting hot out there, so while touching the screen, it gets like, okay man, there's something stickiness.
Yeah, like rubbery type of melting,
So those things I don't like it.
Okay.
Sometimes while watching any video or anything, it gives you a glare on the screen. Because of the rubbery part, it gives you too much glare on the screen. So those things I don't like in that.
The one thing I didn't like, and I would keep like a black foam, so that when I put my screen protector on, the film one, I wouldn't see it turning colors. It changes to like yellow after a while, you know? I had a white iPhone, a face iPhone, and man, no, I'm sorry, no. On the black screen, you see the yellow, but then I got a white screen iPhone, and you didn't see the yellow as much. So, I had to disguise it. But I know you don't have that problem with the glass. And I was against the glass for so long. I just don't like the
There are some
glass.
glasses, if you use a cheap quality glass, then you're going to see the difference.
The glass will?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You're going to easily see the difference in the colors.
One last question before I go. Apple Watches. How difficult is it to change the screen on an Apple Watch? Because I ask you this, the screen, the glass itself, because I changed the LCD, that was simple. But when I went to go, I was gonna change the glass at first, and they were talking about peel the glass off and do this and do that. I'm like, no, I can't do that. So I just went and bought the LCD screen. How difficult is it to change just the glass on that watch, and how long does that take you?
Just the glass is a bit complicated.
It is.
It's quite complicated. Like mostly, only big companies, they repair just the glasses.
Okay.
Other than that, everybody is repairing the LCD and the glass. Because the watch screen is so small, it's not easily to grip it and take out the glass. And
do you do both?
No.
Just the LCD?
If we have to just replace the glass, then we send it to our head office in New York.
Okay.
They do it over there. They have machines over there. They have big warehouses over there. They do it over there.
Okay.
Whatever glass repair, we send it to them. Just the glass repair, we send it to them. We don't do the glass repair over here because you need big machines for that and everything. So, the problem is they have the edges on the side screen. Samsung edge. So when it comes to edges, you have to be very careful. As soon as you try to go in the edge, LCD gonna break.
I'm telling you, that's what I started off doing. I was doing it, and I was doing the edges, and I was like, man, what the heck?
So that's why if any glass comes, just the glass repair, we just tell the customer, okay, we have to send your device in for 3 weeks, 2 weeks, whatever time we get, we call our head office, we check with them, okay, how much time it's gonna take. If we are sending, if you are busy right now, what's going on? How many devices you have? So they give us a time frame, then we tell the customer, okay, that's the time frame. In that time frame, we fix it.
You would say it would be in our best interest to have a backup phone?
Yes.
Because there will be times that you may have to send in your phone, and you don't want to be stuck without a phone. Even if it's a flip phone, just get you a backup phone.
Something,
a little throwaway.
Yeah.
I mean, because a lot of times, a lot of people, they're gonna lease their phone and then they have to turn it back in, so they don't have an extra phone. But you can go somewhere like Macari. There's an app called Macari or eBay or something, and just get you an old iPhone 5. You can get it for little or nothing.
Something.
Just something, just to have it. I mean, I got a couple, and I don't even know where they came from, honestly, because I never really used to keep a phone. But I still have the Palm Pre. I don't even know if it's gonna work, but I still have the Palm Pre. You guys remember that? I was crazy about that phone.
You have to keep, I have one spare phone. It's an unlocked phone. I can use any. It's a flip phone.
But you can use that anywhere.
Is my backup phone. Anytime, anywhere. I have to have that device with me. Because we are relying on these devices so much. Without the phone, we can't even survive.
All these high-tech phones, man, and they'll let you down. But that old flip phone,
keep up with them.
That old throwaway, man, look. That's the grandfather of their phone. But hey, CJ, I really appreciate you letting me come into your establishment and do this. Well, there you have it, guys, the inside scoop on screen repair. So now you know what it takes to repair screens. Just don't drop your phone. Get the right case. Get the right screen protector. I know you want to show off the beauty of your phone and your devices, but hey, be careful. Just get some protection. Yes, you might have insurance, but who wants to go through the rigmarole of busting their screen and having to get it fixed? But if you do, iFixScreen.com. Check him out. CJ will take care of you. Come check him out. He's in the Snellville location. And if you're anywhere up north, there's 45 more locations for you. So you're in good hands. Until next time.
Going to the moon. Going to the moon for you. Going to the moon. And I see spaceships and rockets. Gold heart-shaped lockets. I'm the plug in the socket. Girl, you know